I mean, the numbers came out last night on closing bell, and it held up quite well until the earnings call. So it was that guidance on CapEx that spooked investors and led to the pullback?
I have to think so. From our perspective, the investment's great. We like profit, we like investment for the future. Amazon's blew its balance sheet up in 2017 with $35 billion in more debt, which fueled what we're seeing in 2018 and what we will see in 2019, which is more sales growth, more growth at AWS, and greater profitability. So there will be times during the Amazon life cycle where it's going to invest, and we've seen this since Amazon began. They will take a pause, then they'll invest again. And that makes the investment thesis kind of difficult. But for us, as long-term focused, this is just what the company needs to do.
I mean, on both AWS and the advertising business, the growth rates year over year, phenomenal.
Right.
But both did disappoint slightly versus analyst consensus.
I wonder what the consensus is based on. We don't put public forecasts out for individual companies, but when we do them internally to kind of get our roll up for the entire sector. And Amazon exceeded what we thought it would do in both Q4 and for the year, mostly from a profitability perspective. Profitability was off the charts from where we were. And I think that should be the focus going forward.
We knew the holiday spending quarter was going to be strong,
yes,
which it was. Is there fear that could slow down significantly, whether it's the quarter ahead with the shutdown or the year ahead generally with the economic outlook perhaps not quite as rosy?
First quarter is always tough with Amazon and with any other retailer because you're coming off the holiday, and this was one of the stronger holidays we've seen in an awfully long time. We're still waiting for Walmart and Best Buy, but we've got sales numbers from Target that were really solid. We've got sales numbers from Costco that were really solid. Amazon's numbers for the quarter were very solid. So let's see how it plays out.
How much of this is a retail story and how much of this is AWS?
Well, the profitability, finally, the retail profitability crossed a threshold from where we sit. We're looking at 5% margins on the retail side, which is impressive. Walmart's margins are around the same. Walmart sells a lot more food, so it's not really apples to apples. But for Amazon as a retailer, again, we thought the quarter and the year played out very well. One of the things that we've been concerned about in the past is Amazon sacrificing profitability for sales growth. That did not happen this year. There was really good profitability on the retail side. AWS is AWS, I think, and I put a quote out last night that said, it's almost like a broken record, where AWS is going to grow almost geometrically, the margins are going to continue to expand, and they're going to continue to gain market share, and that drives a lot of that puts a lot less emphasis on the retail business from where we sit. Still important, but AWS can wash away a lot of stuff on the retail side.